What's the meaning of bootlicking? Bootlicking. Bootlicking.
Bootlicking. Bootlicking. Bootlicking refers to the act of excessively flattering or praising someone in order to gain favor or advance one's own interests. The result of bootlicking is often a perceived lack of sincerity and trustworthiness, which can damage one's reputation and relationships with others in the long term. In addition, relying on bootlicking to get ahead can be a short-term tactic that ultimately backfires when the individual's true motives are exposed. Instead, building authentic relationships based on mutual respect and genuine interest in others is a more sustainable path to success.